Very nice. Oh God, but so happy. Hey guys, good morning. It's me again. Welcome to a new vlog. Good morning, wherever you are watching this video from and whenever you are watching it. So today we are going to Graniteside to buy some few things for the house for decor. Like I said, I want to transform my house bit by bit, right? Okay, so I have a few dollars with me here, so yeah, I'm going to look for some small stuff that will transform my house a little bit. So let's go. I'm taking you along. So I did my mini braids yesterday, but I couldn't finish. So this whole part is not it's here only, so I'll have to come back and finish my mini braids. Part of me want to have my, I don't want to go knotless braids, but I just thought, let me just do my mini braids, because I've had my whole hair for the past 1 week, and natural hair for black women, shrink. It shrinks. English never left us, but it shrink, so ranga shrink rangu. So that's why I thought I should do my mini braids. Mini braid. So okay, let us go to the night side. Hopefully I'll be allowed to film more my shops, because I've heard so many people saying my shops every granite have for me, my videos and pictures and whatnot. So I'll have to ask first before doing anything. So yeah, let's go. Oh God.
When someone
Yeah. Sorry. $3. I'm taking this.
some cinnamon dip. Okay, just take four.
Arume.
She's friendly, don't worry.
Yeah, so cute. Oh.
That's the best
You don't tell
worldwide. Yeah.
As long as you draw mono.
Yeah. Papa and look at this stage here, Papa.
Man, it was okay.
Saka anonzi mataipa anonzi machima mbudzi mahomba.
Don't leave these ones that are still in ages. But they grow bigger more than those.
Oh.
Yeah. Sheep. Imudzi.
Marino sheep in Dopa to Gira. There's no Gira.
Oh.
Sheep.
In the house, there's some pellets and stuff. Then you find these guys, they stay in the bush. Don't go Zarwa, because 7 months. They release in the bush. You know, Zoka, time you women that are dozing a farm, but don't go to. I found these are all farmed in Namibia. I have a farm in Namibia, so they all came from Namibia.
So you're saying you could do this one time?
We don't packing them because unfortunately some of the goats have gone.
Oh, saka ndikutoona wai kuti dzakurwa motobva wozi wani dzinogona kuti dzikurwera napo inoenda uko iyo dzoka saka ipo pinogona kungonzwa kuti as much as possible, especially kangora kuti waita week. Saka yambotitunga yapo.
Saka when are you expecting your next patient?
Obva waribvisa saka mudhara akatenga asingazivi vasco feeder tuma anga achinezera bakero ndiasi
Ingeke nayiphayini. Iyo udo yena ndiveli nje udo. Phayini nje yena malene. Ine malene.
Hey guys, we are finally home. We are home. So I went to Graniteside and got some things. I wanted to buy something to decorate a corner in my house, in my living room. So unfortunately, I couldn't find the mirror that I wanted in Graniteside. I found it, but it was expensive. It was far from my budget. So I then went no chagam. Then I had this option of chage from those road sellers and some mirrors, and this is what I got. Actually, this was out of my budget as well, but my dad got it for me. Like, I wanted to buy a mirror, but the money I was left with was enough to buy a very small mirror. So, but I wanted this size, so my dad finally bought it for me, and I'm so happy. Anyway, so I got this mirror. It was going for $40. I also got this fair rug for that corner. Do you see the material? This is the material. This is the material. I got this from Graniteside. So this is how it's going to be. And I also got this, my plant from Graniteside. This was going for $5. And my pot, yeah. So I'll show you how I'm going to style everything. Yeah, I think this plant is small for this mirror. I'll buy another one, but for the meantime we'll work with that one. So I'll show you how I'm going to style it, but definitely not today because I want to rest. I want to relax. I was out all day and I have to recharge my battery. I have to recharge my battery. Yes, my inner battery. So yeah, my hair is looking all scruffy, but well, we move. So this is the end of this vlog, guys. Oh, so I wanted something else. So there's this what do we call it? I don't want to call it a bookshelf, but it's more like a decorative shelf. I'll show you. So my old man is making it for me. I'll show you the end product pretty soon. So until next time, bye.